Can everybody? Oh, there's too much light. I can't see anybody. Okay. Oh, Ria's here. So, Fawad, you want to say something? You want to say hello and to the media? We're very happy. Did you like the trailer? Yay! Okay, cool. So, can we call the two producers and the director to do a photo op with us, please? Yay!
I wanted to ask you, your styling is really good.
Thank
You are
you.
looking very stylish. तो उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए. That how
I'm
did
not
you come-
supposed to look stylish in the film, but thanks anyway.
funky and all.
It's very cool, yeah. Karuna Longani has done the styling. और ये सब high street के कपड़े हैं. And it's supposed to be, she's supposed to be like very colorful. It's like a rainbow is vomited on her. Am I supposed, can I say that, right? Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, she doesn't know what she puts together when she wakes up in the morning. So she mixes anything and wears anything because she's just having fun with herself and her clothes.
Okay, one more question. अगर आपको real life में रत्ना पाठक शाह जैसी मतलब सासू माँ मिल जाए तो आप क्या करोगे इतनी strict?
मतलब पता नहीं. But eventually सब ठीक ही हो जाता है ना life में. Water finds its balance.
Okay, और आपने घर पे कभी कोई रूल ब्रेक किया है, घर का कोई रूल जो मतलब फैमिली रूल्स होते हैं जो बेसिक ऐसा कोई?
हाँ, बहुत सारे rules.
अच्छा, हमें बताइए.
नहीं, मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ.
Okay, my question to Fawad. My friends are very big fan of you from your serial Zindagi Gulzar Hai till now.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
I
तो
told you all the girls find you very hot, yeah.
बहुत मेहरबानी. Thank you.
आप अपने इस जर्नी के बारे में हमें बताइए प्लीज. From Pakistan to India to Bollywood.
We had fun in making it.
Sonam, yeah. Towards your right. Sonam.
Two questions. Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Sonam here.
हाँ जी,
Who has a
बोल.
mic? ये आपकी
हाँ.
home production की film है.
नहीं, Disney and home
Disney
production.
and yeah, home production.
Combination है.
Yeah. तो पहला सवाल तो ये है कि
हाँ जी.
ये खूबसूरत के आप लोगों ने मतलब राइट्स खरीदे थे.
हाँ जी.
ओके. तो ये उसकी हूबहू रीमेक तो नहीं है.
जी.
ओके. और मतलब दूसरा ये है कि होम प्रोडक्शन की फिल्म होने के नाते कितनी ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप फील कर रहे हैं?
जी, मैं तो सिर्फ एक्टर हूँ, ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ शशांक और रिया की है. मैंने तो सिर्फ एक्टिंग की है. When I take on a job as an actor, I only concentrate on doing that. नहीं तो एक लफड़ा हो जाता है. You know, you have to just do your best with what you've got. Because if you start thinking about कि यार responsibility है, you know, my sister's making the film. I've known Sid for like I don't know how many years. इन्होंने इतनी मतलब he's had so much faith. He's decided to make this film with us, and then Shashank also is making a film after so many years. If I start thinking about all of that, तो मैं सुबह काम पे जा नहीं पाऊंगी. So it's just a matter of taking each day and enjoying my work and saying that I'll be a selfish actor. I will do the best I can with this role.
रिया के लिए कितना रिया या आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा इस फिल्म को बनाना और आयशा के बाद या फिर से प्रूव करना होगा?
I feel that if I didn't have a partner like Shashank, then it would have been challenging, but it was just fun.
Here.
Hi.
Here.
हाँ, see you. हाँ,
You're
okay.
looking somewhere else.
Where? हाँ, okay, hi.
First of all, I really love the trailer. It's too interesting.
Thank you.
आप ट्रेलर में बहुत शरारती, चुलबुली, नटखट सी लग रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो सेट पे भी इतनी मस्ती की.
Oh God, Shashank, what supposed to say?
I'd like to tell him something.
नहीं, you know क्या हो गया था? Problem ये है because Shashank and Riya and the writers knew me so well. उन्होंने ये character बहुत, I think हर फिल्म में सब पूछते हैं कि is this character a lot like you? Is their character a lot like you? They very shamelessly taken every part of my personality and exposed me completely in this film. If any character has ever been close to who I am as a person, it's Mrinalini, Millie, Dr. Millie, and it's embarrassing, and it's amazing, and it was a very annoying thing on set. I was like, ये तो मेरे life में हुआ था, ये scene कैसे आ गया इस film में? So Ria's like, yeah, I'm sorry. Shashank was like, oh, I didn't think of it that way. I was like, you're such a liar. So yeah, they've basically, हाँ, तो ये basically मेरी personality है.
विक्रम को भी परेशान किया सेट.
हाँ हाँ.
अगर विक्रम कुछ बोलना चाहे.
Torture किया है.
Torture विक्रम सही कह रही हैं वो.
फवाद torture था.
Actually, no, it is everything pretty much, no?
The task doesn't matter. You just need good producers. Okay.
I second that.
I would, yeah,
Absolutely.
I must say that, I mean, I was just following Ria all the way through the film.
Don't blame it on me. What the hell?
फवाद.
Man is a liar.
जी.
So yeah,
I'm sorry, मैं actually एनक नहीं पहनी तो मैं जरा blindly जवाब दे दूंगा.
on your yeah,
Right. Okay.
the trailer, all of the team, congratulations, all the
Thank
best for
you.
the film. The trailer is amazing, and you both look beautiful in the film.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I address you as Zarun because that name suits you?
अच्छा. You may.
I have seen Zindagi Gulzar Hai recently, which concluded on Zindagi, and the serial was fantastic. You were fantastic in that.
I appreciate it. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
I have one request for you.
जी.
If you're comfortable,
जी.
if you don't mind, please sing that the title song of the serial
Oh
because
God.
everybody wants to hear because you have been a singer, so everybody wants to hear.
I've been a very terrible singer. I'll tell you what. I've just made noise all my life. So ये लोगों की मेहरबानी और आपकी मेहरबानी है कि आप मेरे antics बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं. But what song are you referring to
The
from the?
title song of the Zindagi Gulzar Hai.
मुझे तो खुदा की कसम lyrics भी नहीं याद उसके. I
कोई भी
swear
गाना
to-
गा दीजिए please. Any song then, if you're comfortable, any song, not just the title song.
हमने बहुत try
हालत
किया
में
shooting
पत्थर
के
फंस
time.
गए मेरे अब
Made him
लेकिन
so
चलें
happy.
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ.
So
Ali's gonna hate me for this. जिंदगी गुलजार है ये इश्क का I don't know what the lyric was after that. Huh? I'm sorry? ये इश्क का दरबार है. That's all I can help you with. But thank you so much.
Hi,
And,
this is for.
you're very kind. Thank you.
I always end up
This
with
is for-
singers, na?
Hi.
Co-stars.
Sonam here,
Where are you?
on your right, on your right.
हाँ.
Oh, sorry, left. I'm sorry. You're. I'm sorry. Sorry, here.
Yeah.
Hi. So Rekha's in the original Khoobsurat
Yeah.
and you are in the remake. So have you all shown the trailer to Rekha? What were her
Well,
thoughts?
we've shown like she is a very close to our family, and उन्होंने आयशा भी देखी थी. उनके लिए हमने एक separate trial hold किया था. But like in this film also, I think we'll show her
I
the
would,
film.
Yeah, we would want to, sorry to interrupt, but we would want to show, is this not working? I feel like it's working. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, so I want to show her the film. I want to show it to her in its entirety, and I really would like her feedback on it. As soon as it's close to, ready with all its, trimmings, Shashank, then I will show it to her. She'll be one of the first people to see it for sure.
Shashank, this is Runa News Nation. Serious सामने हो. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Okay. एक जब 2004 और 2005 में फिल्म आई थी वैसा भी होता है पार्ट 2. उस समय म्यूजिकली बहुत हिट फिल्म रही थी. इनफैक्ट टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा लोगों को आज भी याद है.
जी.
क्या इस फिल्म से कोई नया शख्स आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं? म्यूजिकली पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि खूबसूरत म्यूजिकली जो पुरानी थी वो भी बहुत हिट रही है.
I think इस फिल्म में रिया और मैं दोनों ने we work with स्नेहा खनवालकर as a music director, and I think the songs are wonderful. But that was also, Allah के बंदे happened. It was just a great song. जी?
म्यूजिशियन है.
ये
Hi, Sonam.
गाते भी बहुत अच्छा है वैसे.
Hi Sonam, this side, Sasha from
So-
Hot Your.
Hi.
Hi. Sonam, see, usually we see you like really prim and proper the way you present yourself every time. And in this film, you are the misfit.
Expression? You made this very prim and proper. You look at me like this.
नहीं, I completely agree with that.
Yeah, so in the film, you're the misfit. So was it difficult to kind of play a different, role from...
What you see in the media, where I'm concerned, is let's stop laughing, guys, and stop looking at me like that. It's completely different than what you would know of me in my personal life, unless some people in the media know me very well. So when they see the trailer, they'll be like, okay, fine, this is Sonam. She has no filter, and she says whatever, she behaves whatever, she's falling everywhere. And she wears, see, the whole idea of wearing whatever I want is what the whole idea of Millie is. So prim and proper, yeah, I try very hard to be prim and proper. And I guess if you think I am succeeding, then I am succeeding. I told you.
Sonam, hi. Sonam,
Hi.
hi. Lot of actresses these days are singing. Do you plan to?
Are you crazy?
This
This is not happening at all.
I feel like it's a bad idea.
It's a really bad idea. I can't even sing in the bathroom. I'm not even a bathroom singer. No.
Never happened.
No. I don't think I can sing at all.
Okay.
Siddharth, hi, on your right.
Hi.
So this is Disney India's first movie. It's a rom-com, but we know, Disney usually comes with, the typical movies and all. How did Khoobsurat fit into the mold?
It's really as Disney a film as it can get. It's a film for the family. It's a film that should appeal to, it'll appeal to people of all ages. As I said, from 6 to 60, I think would enjoy it. And, it's a film that when we had the narration of the film, and actually Shashank is a wonderful narrator, he sort of narrated the film to us. He came to the office with Riya, and we had a room full of people, and they were completely engaged, with the film all the way through. And these were all types of people, from different departments within the studio. We knew as soon as we heard it that this would be a film that should be branded Disney.
Hi Sonam, Sonika here, in front of you. Yeah.
Hi.
You're looking so beautiful today.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to know कि फैशन के मामले में हमेशा लोग आपको फॉलो करते रहे हैं, हमेशा से लड़कियां आपके पीछे जो भी आप करती रही हैं. तो ये कानों में जो आज आपने डिफरेंट कलर्स के इयररिंग्स पहन रखे हैं.
एक इयररिंग मेरे को दूसरा वाला मिल रहा नहीं था. I swear.
तो कल से फिर ये लड़कियों के लिए नया ट्रेंड हो जाएगा.
I guess so. I couldn't come with Dipani earring, तो मैंने दूसरी पैर की दूसरी earring पहन ली.
So, ma'am, what made you make a film like Khoobsurat, which is a Hrishikesh Mukherjee
Where
film?
are you? Hi.
There are so many Hrishikesh Mukherjee cult classics. So what made you opt for this specific remake? And do you feel you have done justice to a role that Rekha has made so memorable?
I don't think I can do justice to anything Rekha has done. But the idea of, I don't know why Shashank and Riya and everybody else decided to be a part of this film and to make this film. But for me, I feel these days, there are very few films that are wholesome and that mean something and that have great values. And at the same time, they're lots of fun. And I think Hrishikesh Mukherjee was one of the last few directors who made films like Goody and Millie and Khoobsurat and all of them that actually had that vibe, which appealed to everybody, said something, had a message, and were happy, fun films. And those kind of films, I think maybe Raju Hirani is making them these days. And I think Khoobsurat is one of the other ones which I really wanted to be a part of, because I don't think a good film is necessarily a good film because it's dark or depressing or somebody's dying or dead at the end of the film. I think it can be fun and it can mean something and it can be light, and at the same time I think we are going through too much in India in our lives to not have a happy place that says something, and I think cinema has always been my happy place. And I grew up on Hrishikesh Mukherjee films, and for me this is an ode to Hrishikesh Mukherjee. It's not necessarily